Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Okay, so today I went into Dollar Tree. Of course, like any girl, I stumbled upon the beauty aisle and oh my gosh, you guys, I literally found a bronzer that looks exactly like the Patrick Ta bronzers, like powder and cream and everything. So naturally I grabbed some more makeup, duh. Today I'm doing my entire face using only Dollar Tree makeup, and we are going to discover if we just found some amazing hidden gems slash possible dupes, or did I just waste my money? With that said, grab your cafecito and let's jump right in. Okay, but before we start, let me show you this haul because I want you to see it. So I grabbed the Camouflage liquid concealer by the brand Ione. This is in the shade Neutral Light Medium. How adorable and cutesy is this packaging? I also picked up the Crystal Lip Gloss in the shade Honey. And hello, this is giving Gisou dupes. If you know anything about the brand Gisou, it is very expensive. The gloss itself is close to $30. Absolutely not. This is $1.25. Dollar Tree lashes, y'all. That's where it's at, okay? If you love cutesy, flirty looking lashes, like hello, $1.25, and these are half lashes and I'm here for them. I also picked up an LA Colors blush. This is in the shade Berry Plum. I was also really intrigued with this La Mercerie Ultimate Control eyeliner in the shade brown. I love a good brown eyeliner. It's just giving what it needs to give. They also had really good brushes this time. Usually their brushes are just very cheapy. These look like really good quality. It's a beautiful highlight. I was like, I need that. It's giving a 2016 glow. And of course, for me, this is the most exciting thing to try out. This is by the brand LA Colors, and it is their Sculpting Duo Powder and Cream bronzer. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Now, I did not grab a foundation, so as you can see, I already laid down a foundation. So we're just going to work with what we have. Immediately, let's go in with the concealer. This is the Healthy Aura Vegan and Cruelty-Free, Paraben-Free, okay, concealer. Wow, innovative silicone curve wand. It has jojoba oil, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C. And it said it was full coverage, so I have very, very high hopes for this. This is, for some reason, cheaper than a lot of other stuff at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is $1.50, and these are $1.25. Don't know, but I'm here for the savings. It's actually really small, but it's really, really cute. Again, it just, I don't know, it's kind of giving like maybe 70s vibe. Is that what it is? I don't know. I don't know my eras, okay? That is the wand applicator. Definitely very different from all the concealers that I own. Oh, that feels very nice and cold, I have to say. It almost feels like those little roll-on applicators, but it's not. It's a silicone wand. Extra brownie points for being a silicone wand because it retains less bacteria and germs. Okay, the color, I really like it. Honestly, I just kind of bought this blindly and hoped for the best. First impressions, this is very creamy. I am talking very, very creamy. I almost feel like I mixed this in with like a serum or something because it is extremely hydrating. That blended out really easily. It's just giving NYX, but for $1.25. If you know, you know. First impressions, that blended out really quickly. Is it full coverage? No. I would say this is light to buildable medium coverage, but it's definitely not giving us full coverage. So we're just gonna knock it down a point because it says full coverage on here, at least not for me. She is not full coverage, but I am going to add a little bit more and see if we can build up on this. I'm also going to bring some here to the center of the face just to balance it out. I have to say, I really like how hydrating and just like creamy this feels. Like literally feels like you are applying almost like a very sheer tint that's going to hydrate your skin. That's the best that I can describe. Okay, quick pause because I am actually a little bit gagged. Like I was not expecting this to be kind of like cutesy. I was expecting this to be a total disaster, and we haven't even gotten to my most anticipated part yet, which is the bronzer. Literally walked out of the Dollar Tree with a bronzer like this. So if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe because I cannot wait to test this out. Okay, this is the moment, you guys. Look at this. Okay, so let me describe it to you. It is obviously a dual-sided bronzer. You have your cream at the top and you have your powder at the bottom. Sound familiar? Yes, because if you know anything, Patrick Cha is the one that really made this into such a big thing. Obviously, packaging is going to be very different, but the concept is the same and it's giving the same energy, okay? You get your cream at the top and your powder at the bottom. Cream at the top, powder in the bottom. It's giving sun kiss. It's giving creaminess. So let me swatch this on my arm really quick for you. Oh my gosh. Okay, I am so excited. Look at that. That is actually really creamy and the pigment, oh my gosh, that feels so velvety. Hello, LA Colors. You are doing something, girl. Look at that. It might be a little light on me. I should have gotten a different shade because mama is tan, okay? Okay, I am way too excited. Let's test this out. I'm also going to use the brush that I picked up. This is by the brand Sassy and Chic. Yes, girl. I'm going right in with the cream. Oh my gosh, this brush is actually really nice. Like, look at the shape of it. It's nice and tapered, but pointy at the same time. I'm going to start off with the cheekbone area right here, and I'm going to tap it in. I definitely need a shade darker. I'm going to go to my Dollar Tree later and see if I find a darker shade, which they did. Not that I remember, they did, but I figured this was going to be okay for me, but I think I forget that I'm extremely tan at the moment. I'm also going to bring that to the forehead. You know what's funny is that this is even giving the same color as the Patrick Ta, which is more of a cool toned color because hello, this is giving sculpted. This is giving Patrick Ta, but at the dollar store. Let's go in with the powder side and let's see what she's giving. When I swatched it, it looks super creamy. Oh. LA Colors said, hold my bag because I am coming for yours. That is really pretty. I definitely like the powder more because it's giving sun kiss versus the cream is a little more cool tone, which if that's your jam, that's you. I love me a more bronzy golden look and the powder is giving me that. Time for blush, and you know blush is my thing. So this little pan better deliver. We're gonna do a quick little swatch. Oh, that is a pretty pink. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be more berry. But that looks so good, and just swatching it up against my skin. I have a warm olive tone skin complexion and that up against my skin looks absolutely gorgeous. Let's go right in because I do not want to waste any second. I'm going to take my favorite brush at the moment, which is this one from Hello Pigment. Okay, let's tap that off because I also don't want to look like a clown. Oh my gosh. And there she is. There she is. That's Karina. I looked okay before the blush, but now my skin looks alive. It's like warm. Like, do you see the difference? Look at how pretty my skin looks. Flat, cute. And that is the power of blush, amigas. That is the power of blush. Okay, mid-video check-in. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Karina. We test out brand new drugstore affordable makeup every single week because I believe that good quality makeup doesn't have to be expensive. And if you enjoy this type of content, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me so much. And make sure you subscribe because we still have to test out lashes and a possible Gisou lip gloss dupe, so stay tuned for that. Okay, eyeliner time. I am going to be totally honest with you guys. I have not very high hopes because it's a dollar liner, because even good quality high-end eyeliners they can be bad, right? So let's go right in and see if this is even worth $1.25. This is in the shade brown. Oh, okay. So the brush so far, it's giving good signs. Let's start with the liner. I'm gonna come in a little closer because I need to get up and close. Okay. That's actually not bad at all. Wow, and that is a really pretty brown. I feel like it's very hard to find brown liquid eyeliners that don't lean too black or that don't lean too like orange. Now let's do this wing. That is very precise. That is skinny, okay? I am honestly very shook right now. This is such a precise brush. It's drying down pretty quickly and it looks like it might either be a matte finish or a semi-matte finish. I'm not mad at it. I really like it. It's not too inky, but it's not dry, and the color is beautiful. Now, time for lashes. Dollar Tree lashes, y'all. Now, the brand Ioni is nothing new to me. I've actually bought multiple of these lashes, and the quality is really, really nice. But I have never tried the half lashes. So these are the light foxy crisscross halving lash. These are 100% handmade, and these are a D-curl, which I love. D-curl, they're just the best. They make the eyes look so fun and flirty and cute. Right, glue is on. Let's go right in. Pop these on. I'm honestly not the biggest fan of half lashes just because I don't have long lashes to kind of like build onto them. But oh my gosh, I feel like this just like elevated the look. They're cute. This is a highlight we're going to try next, and it is in sheer shimmer. The application is a little unconventional for a highlight, but we're gonna try it. I'm gonna use a brush like this because I'm not going in with that wand. Oh, hello. Oh my goodness. Hello, pigment. This is giving, again, high end, like very intense. You can probably use this as an eyeshadow too, honestly, and that will look really, really pretty. But I already did my eyes, so I'm not gonna try that. But oh my gosh, if you take it on the back of your hand, pick it up with a fluffy brush and then bring it into the skin, that is really pretty. Last but not least, hello, we have a possible Gisou dupe. If you know anything about that, it is like super expensive, almost $30, and it is honey infused. Everybody's obsessed with that. Can't relate. I've never owned it, but the packaging, very, very similar, that like wavy look. And this one as well is honey infused, but for $1.25, okay? Now this one is pretty tiny. I don't know how big the Gisou gloss is. If you guys own it, let me know in the comment section down below. But let's go in and apply it. It is super cute. Oh my gosh, and it does smell like honey. The applicator doesn't pick up much product, so you will have to dip it in a few times. Okay, so far the formula is nice and thick, but not goopy. You see that? No goop whatsoever. My lips are really crusty on the bottom, and I can immediately feel this just like coating the chapped parts of my lips, and it feels good. Oh, very velvety, very creamy, thicker, almost like a lip mask, but not quite as thick. Yeah, I like that. I like that so much. Obviously, I didn't put any color on my lips, which is fine. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is the final result. This is Dollar Tree makeup. Can we like take a moment and just appreciate this is a full face. Would I actually leave the house with this? Absolutely yes. I literally walked into the Dollar Tree not expecting much from it. I thought this was going to be a total disaster. And Dollar Tree, I owe you an apology because this look is a slay. The skin is giving, the cheekbones are sculpted, blush is blushing, the lips feel so soft. The lashes are cute, mind you, they're a little bit long, but they're still really pretty. And the eyeliner, it's drying down to a matte, and I am so shook. Okay, let me give you a quick little verdict. So the best products for me, the LA Colors Sculpting Duo. Oh my gosh. Again, Patrick Ta who for $1.25 you can have sculpted cheekbones. If you can find your shade, I would say definitely pick this up. Most surprising for me was the blush, even though I've tried their blushes in the past, but this color really took me by surprise. It's really pretty and it makes me realize that I need to step out of my comfort zone because these berry colors just make my skin pop. Best in value, I would say, is the Gisou lip gloss dupe. It's giving $30 energy for $1.25. I am definitely going to throw this in my purse because my lips literally feel so good and moisturized. I can't feel that dead skin anymore. So that is a win. And if I had to pick one to skip, I think I would personally skip the concealer. I was going to say the lashes, but the lashes are actually really pretty. Once everything is done, I think the lashes look really nice. I would personally skip on the concealer, although it's very hydrating, very creamy. For me personally, it's not enough full coverage. Is it perfect for every day? Absolutely. The ingredients are amazing, but I just personally like full coverage regardless. So I personally would skip on this one because I'm sure you have something in your collection that you would just love much more than this. Overall, I think these products are legit. Like, I've been sleeping on Dollar Tree makeup and I am so sorry because I've said this millions of times. I sound like a broken record, but good quality makeup doesn't have to be expensive, you guys. It can definitely be affordable and you can make it work. I mean, hello, Dollar Tree just said the perfect example for that. So let me know if you've ever found a good dupe that you love at the Dollar Tree, or what is your favorite products. Also, if you guys want to see a part 2 because they have some skincare and I would definitely test that out with you guys, let me know. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you enjoy this type of content, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me so much, you have no idea. And hit that subscribe button because I am here to test out affordable drugstore crazy good makeup every single week. I love you guys so much. Stay safe and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.